What is up, everybody? Today we are at Naples City Pier and we're going to be doing some pier fishing. I have my cousin right here, Austin, and we were out earlier and we caught some nice fish, so go and check it out. What is that? Is that a shark?
Is it?
Oh no, it's a saltwater catfish. That is your saltwater catfish.
Sweet. All right, now
Hold them and I'll get some stuff to dehook them. Hang on, do you want a picture with them?
Just yeah.
hold the pliers. Hang on, you might want. Hang on, you have.
Yeah.
Just hold them by the pliers. You got them?
Yeah.
All right. All right, there you go.
Shake it.
Yeah, I'll do it. Oh my god. There it goes. All right, cool. That was your first fish of the day. All right, we got our second fish. Can you get a light?
Yeah. I'm just drag on my face.
It is a saltwater catfish.
Wait, is that?
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
Is
no,
it?
No.
No.
It's a. Oh, it's a. Shoot, what are these things called? Either croakers or kingfish. Now these guys are. Oh wait, no, that's a croaker. Jeez, I don't remember. These guys are good bait though. Yep, there he goes. All right, cool.
Sweet.
So the bait shop just opened, so I'm on my way to get us some more bait while Austin stays here and watches the rods. So let's go get some bait. All right, so we're using live shrimp.
I got one.
I did?
Yep.
Ooh, that's a mangrove snapper. Nice. Oh, you're right. Oh, nice, dude. I don't know how to hold them, so be careful. I think you're good. All right, Austin's first fish on shrimp, mangrove snapper. Good job. Is it a mangrove?
I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's. Oh, hang on. That's a trout, I think. Hang on. Let's see this. Yeah, it's a speckled trout, or sea trout, whatever you want to call them. Gee, that's a good catch. I'm gonna have to try your side. Good catch. Oh, there's a school right there. Look at that. See it?
Wow, yeah.
Hey, I might have to have you take over my YouTube channel. Catching more fish than me. Caught a huge catfish earlier. It's just embarrassing. Yeah. This is a mangrove snapper, I think. Yeah. Hey, look at this one. It's pretty.
Oh wow,
decent.
That's really nice.
Yeah, so this is a mangrove snapper. So we're just gonna let him go. There he goes. Yeah. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Austin, you happen to know?
No clue.
Oh, is that just a giant pinfish? I think that's what it is. Cool. Yeah, it's just a pinfish. It's the biggest pinfish I've ever caught. really big and swim this way. Head shakes. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's whiting. Yeah. We are getting bites. Might be like, it'd be cool if we wanted to get a pompano or something. Jack. Something new. Feels like another whiting. But it could be really anything. Catch these guys so bad. Yeah, you see the line? It's not as, you can't really, it's not as visible.
Yeah.
This is a snook. Alright. I think this is snook. I don't know, I didn't know they had this kind of teeth. I'll look it up online later. See what type. Oh,
Am I still on?
I don't know, reel. You on there? Let's see what happens. Oh my, wait, the fish came off. Oh, he didn't grab the hook. That's what happened.
That was short or something, man. That took the entire fish off.
Yeah. Might be coming back this way. Yeah, I told you. He's on. Come on, Nathan. Or, sorry, Austin. Let's see what he is. Oh, where is he? Come on. Keep reeling faster. Faster.
They came off.
I'm back in Georgia now. We ended up leaving right after we lost that fish. I hope you guys have enjoyed the past few weeks of saltwater fishing. As I said in a previous video, in the next year I plan on moving to a coastal area, and I will probably primarily fish saltwater. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In conclusion, this has been 24/7 Fishing with Dylan Bryant. See you next time.